Hello everyone. In this lesson we will see research process at a glance, and we will see how to add Excel toolpak. So first of all, you need to understand the research process, in which stage we need to use data analysis. So a research typically consists of several steps, such as introduction, where we introduce our research and we describe the research scope, objectives, etc. Then we write literature review, the related past studies. Then we describe the research method, where we describe how we have conducted our study. Then comes the findings or results chapter, in which basically we include the results from the data analysis, and we will be dealing with this chapter in this course basically. Then comes the discussion chapter, where we basically compare our findings with the previous other studies. Then it comes conclusion on limitation and other research. So here you can see at a glance the table of content of this course. So first of all, we will be discussing several basic concepts of statistics that will give you a good foundation about stat. If you are very new to stat, then it will help you much. Then we will be describing the descriptive phase of the statistics. Then we will go to the inferential part of the stat, which will include the hypothesis testing, t-test, z-test, then analysis of variance or ANOVA, correlation, then regression. Then there will be several other bonus lessons for you. So now we will move to the Excel, and we will see how to add toolpak in Microsoft Excel. So I go to the our data set. So there is a very small data set. I prepared this small data set for so that I can easily describe how the analysis are conducted. Then we will move to the advanced analysis. So here you can see a data set consists of several variables. So this is the ID column, then gender, then the income level, then age, then study hours, how many hours the students actually study, then their CGPA. So so this is the Microsoft Excel. So how we will do the statistical analysis from here. So first of all, you need to go to the data, this part. Then you will see the data analysis toolpak here. If it is not there, then you need to go to the file, then you need to go to the option, then you need to go to add-ins. Then here from below you need to select Excel add-ins, then you need to click go. So then you need to click Excel toolpak, then click OK. So after that, if you go to the data segment, then you can see the data analysis. So this is the toolpak actually that we will be using to analyze our data. So thank you so much.